This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a westbound CN train here at a new spot. Oh, cool! British Columbia Railway! And here they go underneath the Turcot Interchange. This is a brand new built place. I didn't want to give that fence company a plug. Who cares though? And so this is Avenue de Carillon, I believe they call it. Brand new spot for me. About 6:45 p.m. here in St Henri. Look at the pipes. That's a cool load. The one drawback is that you have to shoot through the fence or stand on top of a concrete median strip. What do they call them? Jersey barrier. Either way, it's not very comfortable. But no worse than doing it at the park there, Argenson Park. And you can see the skyline of Montreal in the distance. And if I'm lucky, I'll get another train coming the other way. I think this train is just going to go straight through to Dorval, actually. Lots of gonds. There's a train like that goes through Dorval around 7 o'clock. Wouldn't be surprised if it's this one. Brand new CN car there. These are old grain hoppers. Yeah, if you're careful, you can film through the fence, no problem. I'm doing it now, and it seems to be working for me. The track closest... Oh, there's the coil steel cars with no hood on them. And I was saying the track closest to me there is a spur line that goes to a plant called Kroger in St Henri. CN will serve that. Oh, there's the end of the train. See there? And there it goes underneath these newly built tunnels. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.